Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most overlooked maintenance items on these old Mercedes diesels. When you start your car and the oil pressure stays at zero for a couple seconds and then jumps up, that usually means that the O-rings at the base of the oil filter housing are worn out, and while it sits overnight it's losing all the oil head. So when you start it, it's got to pump oil through the whole engine before it actually builds pressure. And while it's not the worst thing for your engine, it's also not the best, because you're essentially running it dry every single time you start the car, and that really is going to accelerate the wear and tear. And all that's involved is when you're doing your oil change, you're going to take out your oil filter, and there's two little O-rings like so. They're pretty cheap. I got both of those O-rings for around $9.99, so it's not going to break the bank. And it's really going to extend the life of your engine and just make it better. You don't want to be running it dry for those first 5 seconds. So let me show you how to take the oil filter out and where the O-rings are. You're going to want to have your 14 millimeter. Undo these two bolts. Now, I apologize in advance. I'm doing this on a hot engine, one-handed with a camera, so this might not be the prettiest video. Now, before you pull that out, grab at least a couple paper towels so that you can catch most of the oil, and make sure you're staying clear. Ooh, that's hot. Staying clear of your vacuum lines. That's really hot. I'm gonna wipe this off and then I'll come back to you guys. So as part of your regular oil change, you're gonna want to change the O-ring down here at the base, but these two are the ones that are gonna be causing us trouble. So these aren't actually not hard at all, but they're also pretty small. I don't think these are the, these are pretty small. You can see how flush they are with the outer diameter of the shaft. So gonna pull these, god damn it, gonna pull these off and show you what the new ones look like on there, as well as changing this O-ring down here. So I would film this, but I only got one hand. So here's the new ones. I don't know if it quite comes out in the video, but they're not quite as flush with the surface, and that should make the difference on startups. And that's all there is to it. Now you change out your filter back there. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that. If you got to this point, you know the rest of the procedure. So I'll change my filter, put it back together, and that's really all there is to it. This is a really quick, simple thing you can do. It's a quick, simple maintenance item you can do, and it'll really make a difference in the longevity of these diesels. Yes, they can go a million miles, not if you don't take care of them. So little things like these are really what makes a difference in how long it's going to run. I hope you guys learned something, and hopefully you can fix that annoying 5 seconds of no oil pressure in your diesel. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good one.